Good morning, children. Saira, welcome back to our online class. And yes, I once again welcome back to our online class. And today we are going to learn our active English. So, kids, you have your active English book. Yes, you will have to complete the book. And today's chapter is chapter 7, 8, and 9. So all of you watch the video till end, and it is going to be a very easy chapter for you all. I hope you all have your active English book at home, right? Now let's begin the video and listen carefully. And today we are going to learn chapter 7 and 8 and also 9. And the first chapter is chapter 7. So in chapter 7 we have the word more or less. More or less. So what is more? So much. That is called more. And what is less? Very little. That is called less. Now look at this picture. This boy name is Jitesh and this boy name is Harish. And now what are they having? Toy car. And he's also having toy car. Now more, less. Now tell me, who is having more cars? Yes, Harish is having sorry for the interruption, children. Okay, let's continue. So his name is Jitesh and his name is Harish. So they are having the toy cars. So can you tell me who is having more toy cars and who is having less toy cars? Jitesh, very less, and Harish, more. So Jitesh has less cars than Harish, and Harish has more cars than Jitesh. So when we use the word more or less, we compare to any two objects, any two persons, or any two places. So we use the word more or less. Now this is Vaibhavi and this is Tanishka. Now they are having the dolls. Now again, can you tell me who is having more dolls and who is having less dolls? And Vaibhavi is having 1, 2, 3, 4. And Tanishka is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So who is having more? Tanishka. So Tanishka has more dolls than Vaibhavi. And Vaibhavi has less dolls than Tanishka. So it's very simple. Now we have in our active English book this picture in chapter 7. So here Prem, Mohan, Maya, Anu, Radha, Raj. So he is having car, only 2 cars, and he's having more cars, only 1 orange, and she's having more oranges, and she's having books, word, yes, and he's having less. So this is books. Okay, so you have to compare each other. Now let's see what is the question. So here the same picture is there, what I showed now. And the first question is, Mohan has dash cars than Prem. So you have to see Mohan and Prem. You have to see Mohan and Prem. So Mohan has more or less? More. So you will write the word more cars than Prem. Very good. Number 2. Prem has dash cars than Mohan. Prem has dash cars than Mohan. So Prem has less cars than Mohan. So what is the answer? The first one is more and the second one is less. So let's see the next question. Anu and Maya. So where is Anu here? Here is Anu and here is Maya. So Anu has dash oranges. So Anu has dash oranges. More oranges than Maya. Okay. So what's the answer? Anu has more oranges than Maya. Number 4, Maya has dash than Anu. Maya has dash than Anu. What is she having? Less. What? Oranges. So Maya has less oranges than Anu. Maya has less oranges than Anu. And more 2 questions are there. So you are going to complete those answers. And next we have draw a line under the right word. Draw a line under the right word in your book, but I have given here as filling the blanks. So a glass holds dash water than a cup. So you have to write more, less or fewer. More means so much, less means little, and fewer means very little. Okay, so you know what is glass and what is a cup. So a glass holds dash water than a cup. So what you will write? Yes, exactly, the word more. So a glass holds more water than a cup. Now a big book has dash pages than a newspaper. So a big book has, what is the answer? More, less or fewer? Yes, a book has more pages than a newspaper. So in your active English book, you will just underline M-O-R-E, more. And we'll go to the next question. A car holds dash people than a bus. So a car holds dash people, more people or less people than a bus? Yes, less people. So what is the answer? Less. So a car holds less people than a bus. You just have to compare the given things. Already pictures are also there in your book. And the next chapter is chapter 8. And now we are going to use the word more and the most. Okay, so when you write most, you can also use the word the most beautiful. So I hope you all remember the degrees of comparison what we learned in the grammar, that is positive degree, superlative degree and the comparative degree. So which is more beautiful? And more beautiful means when you are comparing the two things. The most beautiful means when you compare to the whole group. So here this peacock is more beautiful and this peacock is the most beautiful. It is the beautiful peacock. Okay, now let's see the definition. What is more? So generally more is used when referring to a greater or additional amount of degree, and most is used when referring to the greatest amount of degree. That is, most is when we compare to the whole group or whole class. So the difference between more and most is the comparative form and the superlative form. As I told, we learnt in the grammar degrees of comparison. So more is the comparative degree, most is the superlative degree. So here we have the word quick. So what you will write? The positive degree, comparative degree and the superlative degree. So quick means quickly, more quickly, most quickly. So you have these table in your chapter 8 active English book. So you, after watching this, you can take your book and write the answer. So number 2 is slow. So what is the answer? Slowly, more slowly and the most slowly. So what is the answer? Slowly, more slowly, and the most slowly. So like that we have brave. So bravely, most bravely, and more bravely. And we have the word fast. Fastly, more fastly, most fastly. And we have hard. Yes. So you will write harder and the hardest. Because already we have learned the degrees of comparison. So I said brave, bravely, more bravely, and the most bravely. Fast, we have here faster and the fastest. Then hard means harder, the hardest. Bad means, so you will write the badder and the baddest. No, so it is worse and the worst. So all these words we have already learned in the grammar topic, degrees of comparison. So what is for good? Good means well, better, and the best. Now you have to finish the sentences. Prem ran quickly, but Mohan ran more quickly. So first one is already answer is given. Number 2, Anu wrote clearly, but Maya wrote more clearly. Very good. So answer is more clearly. Raj shouted loudly, but Rahman shouted more loudly. Jane worked hard, but Janki worked harder. So remember the table. Jack wrote badly, but Sanjeev wrote worst. For bad is badly, worse, and the worst. Parul wrote well, but Peggy worked. Sorry, Peggy. So what will come here? Wrote will come here. Okay, so here we'll write. Where is my pen? So Parul wrote well, but Peggy. Okay, we'll change the answer here. So here the question will come W-O-R-K. So Parul worked well, but Peggy worked better. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Now you can see the image here. This is Raj, this is Mark, Mohan, Rose, Prem, Anu, Maya. So the marks which they have scored out of 100 is given. So you are going to compare all these marks and you are going to answer the questions. So what is the first question? Which girl did the best? So which girl? So you have to see which girl did the best. And who is the girl here? Maya, Anu, Rose. So they are girls. So it's 95 marks, 85, 44 out of 100. So whose marks is the best? Best means topper. Yes, Maya's. So answer is Maya did the best. So which girl did the best? Maya did the best. So you will write the answer Maya did the best. And which girl did the worst? So she is less. Worst means very less. So Rose did the worst. And which boy did the best? And who are the boys here? Raj, Mohan, and Prem. So which boy did the best? Prem. So Prem did the best. Which boys did the worst? So 31, very less. So Raj did the worst. And the last question is, which boy did better than Rose? Which boy did better than Rose? So Rose marks is 44. So whose mark? Which boy did better than Rose? Yes, Prem. So Prem did better than Rose. And let's move on to the chapter 9 now. This is the very simple chapter. We are going to use as dash as. Again, we are going to compare. So the first question is, the box is heavy. The box is heavy too. So box is heavy and another box is heavy too. And number 2 is, Tim is tall. Raj is tall too. So they both are tall here and both the boxes are heavy. So what you will do when you compare, we are going to use the word as dash as. So this box is as heavy as the bag. Otherwise you can write the boxes. So you can write the box. So instead of this you can write T-H-E. So the box is as heavy as the bag. And sorry, what is the next one? Tim is tall and Raj is tall too. So Tim is as tall as Raj. The red book is thick. The green book is very thick. And here the red book, there are two different books. So the red book is here and the green book is very thick. So what is the answer? So the red book is not as thick as. So here we are going to use not as thick as. So in the first we had used only as heavy as good as beautiful as. Now here in the next page we are going to use not as dash as. So the red book is not as thick as the green book. The second question is, Dick is careful. Molly is very careful. So what is the answer? Dick is not as careful as Molly. So here again, Dick is not as careful as Molly. So do not forget to write the word not. So when you see the word very, you have to write, where is the answer? Yeah. So when you see the word very in the question, you will have to use the word not. Dick is not as careful as Molly. So children, it's a very easy chapter. Now quickly remove your active English book and write the answers. So thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye children. Thank you.